Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well and I hope everybody had a wonderful Valentine's Day. Wanted to pop on real fast just to show what I got for Valentine's Day from my wonderful husband. I put it all back inside the box just so you can see so you guys can see how it came packaged, and there was a little surprise that was added inside, which I wasn't expecting, but it's a nice surprise, so we'll go ahead and get started. So yeah, it just comes in a regular box, DHL, and you just pull the tab off, and the box is really pretty. It just comes with this, and it's from Gucci. So I'll go and take this out, but look at what came with it. Like there's all the receipts and everything, like thank you, little note and whatnot. So there's that. But it came with a little tote bag that says, I think you guys can see it, it says Gucci on one side, it says Gucci on the other, and it just says Gucci.com. I think you guys can see that. But it's so cute. It's just a reusable tote bag. Oh, sorry if there was little fuzzies. I turned it inside out just to see what it looked like. But yeah, look, there's a whole bunch. It's just a simple little tote bag. But I thought that was so cute. Like, I'm totally gonna use this. Like, it's perfect just to grab and go. Throw a little bit of stuff inside. You can even put a bottle of wine if you wanted to in here. But I was just thinking of different things to use it. But isn't that cute? That is so cute. Like, yeah, so I'm definitely going to be using this, and that was a wonderful surprise. So I went ahead and rewrapped it just so I guess it can be sort of like an unboxing. So, but I already, like when it arrived, I immediately opened it just because I wanted to make sure that it was right, because there's a little story after this. So we'll go ahead and get started. And again, I'm the one who rewrapped it, and I guess I just made it a little bit more difficult for myself. Hold on one second. It's really nice, like ribbon. It's not their traditional black ribbon. It's sort of like a canvas. I think it's a recycled ribbon, like recycled material. So it's from Gucci. Go ahead and open it up. Take this out. Put this on the floor to reveal the Gucci card case wallet in hibiscus. This was on my wish list video for 2021. It just comes with the dust bag, and I think there might be a little care card. Nope, just the dust bag. I'm pretty sure everything else is in here. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, so I opened it immediately upon arrival because I just wanted to make sure everything was looking the way it was supposed to, and I absolutely love it. I haven't put my stuff inside yet, but I think everything will work out. I'm happy the fact that these card slots are a little bigger, because actually I purchased the Victorine wallet from Louis Vuitton twice, and twice I had to send it back. If I can't, I'll insert little video or photos or whatnot. And the doorbell rang, and this showed up, and it is from Louis Vuitton. This item I really was wanting for like the longest time, but I love the packaging that they did on it. And let's reveal what it is. It is a small leather good, and to reveal, we have, oh, it's really in there, is the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet in the monogram. But I ordered it once, it arrived, I thought it looked perfect. Like, of course, on video, like I have the lights and everything, and I have my glasses, so I thought it was perfect. So when I went back to edit the video, I had it next to me on the table, and I saw a giant scratch on the button, and I was like, oh. And then I noticed these little little spots all over it, which I tried to wipe away, but it just wasn't coming off. So I showed it to my husband like without telling him anything, and he noticed them too. So we called and told them like what had happened. We sent photos. They said, okay, we'll do the return. UPS came and picked it up like within an hour, and we did an exchange. So I went ahead and waited for another piece to arrive, and it did. So I did a second unboxing. And hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. And here's the box with all the pretty ribbon. And we'll go ahead and untie that. Open this up. And here's this. And ta-da! I got it back. And as soon as it looked perfect when I opened it, I was like, whoo. But as soon as I opened it, like in that middle part, the stitching was popping out. And I just thought, oh my, like this is, no. So again, I called again, told them the situation. They said send photos. They sent me everything for my return. They said definitely return it. But yeah, they were like, would you like to order another one? And I don't know, I think I was just turned off by it. On the Victorine, the card slots were super thin. And to be honest, because I do use change, cards and cash, living here in France, we use a lot of change. So when I put my change inside of the zipper part, I couldn't fit cards on the part that the zipper was on because it was difficult to close or it was stretching really bad. So I was only really able to use that middle compartment with the 3 card slots and put a 4th or 5th card in the middle. And I also carried my husband's ID, which is a little bigger, and I used to put that in the middle. And I used it to go out once just to test drive it. And yeah, like to get my coins out and to get my cards out, it was so stiff. It was like I was having trouble getting my cards out, and it was just like, oh my god, like, and I don't like to be like that person that holds up the line trying to get my cards out, and it was like it was a struggle to get my cards out and to get my coins out. Like everything was just so tight. Like I absolutely loved the look of the wallet. I absolutely loved everything about it, but I don't know, like there was too many cons and too many issues with both unboxings that I probably am not going to repurchase that one in the future. But again, never say never. But for now, I went ahead and let that ship sail just because of those issues. The Gucci card case wallet retails for $2.95 here in France. I'm not really sure how much it is in the United States, but it looks so pretty. Excuse my nails. I tried to do them for Valentine's Day and they still look a little wonky, so sorry about it. But yeah, so I think this is so pretty. And what I also love about this wallet is, here, let me grab it real fast. I have my Louis Vuitton Felicie, and this wallet fits really well inside. I can still fit my essentials inside, so if I need a compact, so there's my compact, my hand sanitizer fits in front, and just a lip product, my Chanel La Boy lip product. Everything's inside, and I don't have the chain on, but you get the idea. So there's how that looks. It fits wonderful inside. That's what I love about this. And it has a back pocket so I can slip my mask inside as well. And yeah, so I'll do another like in-depth review of this wallet and exactly what fits, how I would pack it into different bags. It was on my radar for the longest time. Since 2017 I've been wanting this wallet, but I actually was going to get it in the marmont, in that nude color, but I'm happy I waited and decided to go for the hibiscus red. I absolutely love red accessories. I think they're so pretty. And I like the fact that these card slots are bigger, because I found this one, which I've already I've tried it out in the store many times, and I love the fact that these card slots are a little wider, so my cards are easier to get in and out. And the fact that you can double up on these, but I'm probably not going to do that. And again, I just need a small wallet for here in France, because I only carry, again, up to 4 to 5 cards, no more, no less. So this wallet works out perfect. So I just wanted to reveal what I got for Valentine's Day from my amazing husband. And I'm so happy. It's so pretty. It smells really good. Like, it is super brand new, and I can't wait to start putting all my stuff in here and start using it because it's so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody's safe and everybody is happy. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.